Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the volatility scanner for MT4. This volatility measurement tool displays two lines in a separate window below your chart. The VSI line measuring current volatility intensity and the VSI MA line providing a smoothed moving average for clearer trend identification. In this video you'll see how the volatility scanner works, how the two lines interact, and which trading strategies are utilized. The Volatility Scanner MT4 is a technical analysis tool that measures market volatility intensity through two key components displayed in a separate indicator window below the main price chart. A VSI line represents the Volatility Scanner Index, which calculates current volatility levels in real time based on price movement amplitude. Once you rest your cursor on the blue line here, you'll see a pop-up which shows VSI 21. I'll explain what the 21 means later. While the VSI MA line is a moving average of the VSI that smooths out fluctuations for clearer trend identification. By analyzing the relationship between these two lines, traders can identify periods of expanding volatility ideal for breakout strategies. Contracting volatility suggests consolidation of range-bound condition, and volatility extremes that often precede significant market movements or reversals. On the chart, the volatility scanner displays in a separate window below the main chart, as I said before, with the VSL line typically more responsive, showing real-time volatility changes, as you see on the chart, and the VSI MA line moving more smoothly, providing directional context, which is this red line here. When the VSI line rises above the VSI MA line, it indicates increasing volatility or expanding price movements, suggesting potential breakout opportunities or strengthening trends. When the VSI line falls below the VSI MA line, it signals decreasing volatility or contracting price movements, indicating potential consolidation of range-bound trading or weakening momentum. As you can see on the chart, every time there's a spike in the VSI line, it is followed by an uptrend or a downtrend or continuation of the trend. Meanwhile, anytime it's below, it shows range bound or consolidation. For breakout trading, traders monitor when the VSI line spikes significantly above the VSI MA line during a consolidation phase, confirming that volatility is expanding and the breakout has sufficient energy and participation. For trend confirmation, sustained elevated readings where both VSI line and VSI MA lines remain at higher levels validate that the current trend has strong momentum behind it, increasing confidence in continuation trades. For range identification, when both lines remain flat at lower levels, it suggests low volatility conditions where range trading strategies or waiting for volatility expansion may be more appropriate than trend following approaches. If you check your settings, the 21 that displayed in the pop-up for the indicator, it refers to the period for the moving average, which you can adjust to suit your need. You can also adjust the moving average type from simple to exponential to smoothed and linear weighted, and you can adjust the volume per second or volume per chart. Who is it for? The volatility scanner is suitable for breakout traders who need to identify volatility expansion. For high probability setups, trend followers who want confirmation that momentum supports the current direction, and scalpers or day traders who adjust strategies based on current volatility conditions. It works well when combined with Bollinger Bands for visual volatility context, ATR for absolute volatility measurement, moving averages for trend direction filtering or support and resistance level for entry timing. However, the indicator measures current volatility levels rather than predicting visual direction. Extreme readings can persist longer than expected during sustained trending markets, and it should be used with price action analysis and proper risk management rather than as a standalone system. You can download the Volatility Scanner for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how monitoring the relationship between the VSI line and VSI MA line can reveal volatility expansion, contraction, and extreme conditions for better strategy alignment with current market behavior. If you like volatility measurement tools with dual line analysis, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.